Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphins are intelligent and playful.
Dolphins are intelligent and playful.
Whale.
Whale.
A whale is the largest animal in the ocean.
A whale is the largest animal in the ocean.
Shark.
Shark.
Sharks have sharp teeth.
Sharks have sharp teeth.
Octopus.
Octopus.
An octopus has 8 arms.
An octopus has 8 arms.
Squid.
Squid.
Squids can squirt ink to hide.
Squids can squirt ink to hide.
Crab.
Crab.
A crab walks sideways.
A crab walks sideways.
Lobster.
Lobster.
Lobsters have big claws.
Lobsters have big claws.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish can sting.
Jellyfish can sting.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
A seahorse is small and cute.
A seahorse is small and cute.
Starfish.
Starfish.
A starfish has 5 arms.
A starfish has 5 arms.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtles swim long distances.
Sea turtles swim long distances.
Clam.
Clam.
A clam lives inside a shell.
A clam lives inside a shell.
Oyster.
Oyster.
Oysters can make pearls.
Oysters can make pearls.
Seal.
Seal.
Seals can swim and walk on land.
Seals can swim and walk on land.
Walrus.
Walrus.
A walrus has long tusks.
A walrus has long tusks.
Sea lion.
Sea lion.
Sea lions bark loudly.
Sea lions bark loudly.
Stingray.
Stingray.
A stingray has a flat body.
A stingray has a flat body.
Manta ray.
Manta ray.
Manta rays are very large.
Manta rays are very large.
Eel.
Eel.
An eel looks like a snake.
An eel looks like a snake.
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
A pufferfish can puff up.
A pufferfish can puff up.
Coral.
Coral.
Coral is home to many fish.
Coral is home to many fish.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchins have sharp spines.
Sea urchins have sharp spines.
Swordfish.
Swordfish.
Swordfish have long pointed noses.
Swordfish have long pointed noses.
Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
A sea cucumber lives on the ocean floor.
A sea cucumber lives on the ocean floor.
Anchovy.
Anchovy.
Anchovies are small fish.
Anchovies are small fish.
Manatee.
Manatee.
Manatees are gentle sea animals.
Manatees are gentle sea animals.
Tuna.
Tuna.
Tuna is a popular fish to eat.
Tuna is a popular fish to eat.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon swim upstream to lay eggs.
Salmon swim upstream to lay eggs.
Grouper.
Grouper.
A grouper is a large fish.
A grouper is a large fish.
Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Barracudas have sharp teeth.
Barracudas have sharp teeth.